It's not. Oh, look at it moving. Oh, wow.
That's the only ones that juvenile.
Is it?
Only one. Black is fucking them. Juvenile. There's a young guy.
I think we should sit Leo on top of one of these.
I think we're completely mad there, aren't we? But
Let's see. Mommy is throwing it in.
you missed that.
And put some of that liquid on him as well, so they all go near him. Well, nearly.
Really got it. I got some good shots of wings going. Honestly. I like this one here.
A couple of ones that get called in London.
There he is, there he is.
So is this like sugar water?
He was sat on this one then.
Yeah. You see how good that I...
Here he goes. Got him? Oh yeah.
Nice shot. Can centre that off. It's fucking gorgeous.
That one still was a different one though, a browner.
Yeah, that's a couple.
Yeah.
It has one more brown than that. So deep.
Alice.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got four. There's a little different one on this field, but it's just started off. It's not easy to get to that. Yeah. Wasn't that trained right? No.
Chase each other as well, don't they?
He's right in front of you. Just as he went, wasn't it?
Yeah.